Well, it's double lane, so once they get round the corner, it's okay. Taxis are boring, you know.
Oh, look at him. He's not going to get round the corner faster.
No. He's just pushing in front of everybody. Big scumbag. Jeez, where did that come from? That's another one trying to crook the system.
Oh, good.
Yeah, he hit me in Twitter.
Silly Nana.
Yeah.
Oh, he's just pulling over. Dog. The younger one. What the is he doing?
There must be something there in the road. I don't think this guy expected that.
No, I don't think so too. That guy don't pinched his.
Big dip.
Yo.